All right, let's go. Give it a little bit of gas. Try to find that sweet spot. There you go. That would be amazing. There you go.
Hey, that was 5 seconds.
Well, no, but still, it was very good. It was like 2.5.
Oh.
Keep the handlebars straight, baby, and get in the middle of the sidewalk.
Wait, can I turn here?
No, we'll turn it the next one.
The next driveway?
Mm-hmm.
That's gonna be so far.
All right, come on.
Wait, I need her back.
No, you don't need to. Don't put the pegs down.
Why?
Because you need them out of your way in case you got to put your feet down, baby. So get them back out of the way.
Wait, that's from Daddy.
Come on. Don't worry about them. Just go. Watch where you're going. Always watch where you're going, baby. There you go. You're doing good. Try to keep your feet up as long as possible, though. All right, slow down.